When creating your variables and constants in Visual Basic, there are some rules that you must follow. Variables and constant names must begin with a letter. The other characters can be other letters. Numbers are acceptable. The word that you create must be all one word, that is, no spaces embedded within the word. You will want to avoid special symbols, although the underscore is okay. And the word that is created as a variable or a constant cannot be a keyword, such as a property or a method name. For this reason, there are some suggestions that you should follow. One, like the control names, you should use camel casing. Visual Basic is not case sensitive, and the lowercase and uppercase words are acceptable, but for ease of reading and consistency, it is suggested that you use camel casing. You see some examples such as pay amount decimal, age integer, and name string. Now you'll notice that the data type has been included at the end of each of these variable names. That is to avoid conflicts with keywords. By adding the data type at the end of the name, you also are explicitly clarifying the data type of the variable whence referenced in code. It is also important to note that many times you will have an application where you will have a text box and a variable that is referencing the same data. Keep in mind that the text box is an object that is on the form, where the variable is a memory location. A variable is simply a representation of that number that is being used within your application's code to process and manipulate that data in some way. The same is true with constants. Constants is a representation of some data which is remaining the same throughout the program.